Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to unbox a bunch of sneakers that are Yeezy. So I recently did an unboxing of the Yeezy mono clay, parang ganon. So I actually have two more colorways of that Yeezy. And we're also going to unbox a Jordan 1. We're going to unbox a special package that I was able to get from our good friends Ben&Ben. And yeah, it's going to be a chill unboxing day. Let's go. Now, before we get to the unboxing, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. If you guys are looking for amazing accessories that will level up your vibe, make sure to check them out. They have a great selection of necklaces, bracelets, rings, and you even get 40% off this June. In fact, if you buy today, you get a complimentary product upon checkout and you get a chance to win these. These are Rose Gold and Black VIP chips, and if you get them, you get a full set of jewelry from them, including 2 chains and 2 bracelets. So make sure to check them out. Link down below, Rose Gold and Black. Yeezys, a lot of Yeezys. These shoes or these Yeezys are part of the Yeezy 350 mono pack. So we have it in clay. We have it, I think, in ice blue or mono ice, and we have it in some sort of like black or gray color. Obviously, this was sent over by our good friends, Soul Republic. So they have a store over at BGC, but they are also setting up shop over at Unbox Green Hill. So make sure to check them out. So let's unbox the shoes one by one. Ooh, so for all of you brown colored, shoe lovers out there or people who love earth tones, this is it. Wow, looks like some sort of like chocolate, diba? So you have that same monofilament mesh instead of the typical prime knit. You have that plasticky pull tab, and yeah, really depends on your color profile and your color taste. So if you like something that's more earth tones and you like the aesthetic of the monofilament mesh for Yeezys, then you might want to take a look at this. I think this should be the ice blue one. Pop it open. Boom. This one for me, nicest in the collection. But that's me being biased because, as you guys know, I am really into white shoes these days. But come on, that is clean AF. Seriously, best Yeezy in the mono pack collection, in my opinion. Just my humble opinion. What do you guys think? Do you prefer this? Do you prefer the brown one? Or I did a video of this already, but might as well, just pop it open so you can compare. So, orange. Pop of orange. So which is your favorite? Is it the mono clay? Is it the mono ice? Or is it the brown colored one? Let me know in the comment section. Would love to hear from all of you guys. And again, shout out to our great friend Soul Republic for sending over these shoes that I can unbox for you in today's episode. I want to unbox this special package that was sent over by Ben&Ben. To those who don't live in the Philippines, Ben&Ben is one of the most famous young bands here in the Philippines. They're super good. Their songs are amazing, and I'm just blessed that they sent this over. This is actually a preview of their merchandise that will come out in July. So this is based off their new single called Upuan. So there you have it. You have this nice blue shirt. You have Upuan embroidered here at the front. It also comes with this really nice, I think you call it a bucket hat. I'm not a bucket hat person, but yeah, yun. Tapos pwede rin siyang i-reverse. So if you wanted the white with the chair icon or the embroidered Ben&Ben logo, you can also do that. So it depends on your mood for the day. Also has this really nice Upuan mug. From what I've read in the note that they enclosed over here, profits from the Upuan collection donated certain amount to Teach for the Philippines Incorporated. So guys, check them out. Make sure to watch out for the Ben&Ben Upuan collection coming on Lazada in July. Now I have one last item that I wanted to unbox for you. This is a latest acquisition of mine. As you can see, this is from Louis Vuitton. This is actually the Louis Vuitton Supreme bag in red. Bam! Panalo, diba? So this is pricey AF, and I wouldn't recommend people to buy it just because they want to buy it. So I actually bought this for investment purposes. I just feel that over time, the value will go up. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If not, I can probably at least recuperate or get back the money that I spent in buying it because it was such a great deal. So again, that's from Louis Vuitton and Supreme. We got from our good friends from Aftermarket Philippines over at Green Hills. By the way, one last unboxing and dami, no? Because I remembered I mentioned I would unbox a Jordan 1. I got this size 12.5. This is a Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. No, it's not the Hyper Royal. The Jordan 1 Hyper. No, the Jordan 1 Royal. I'm mixing up my names na. So many Jordans. So this is in my size 12.5. Just a classic, timeless color, very easy to wear, goes well with pretty much anything, black, blue, and white. I mean, come on, goes with jeans, goes with shorts, goes with whatever you want to throw at it. So yeah, added this also to my growing Jordan 1 investment set. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the Yeezys, which one you like the most, which one would you consider copying. And if we get this to 5,000 likes, which is like a challenge, I'll give one Yeezy away. So in your size. So give this video a thumbs up already, comment down below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. If we hit 5,000 likes, we'll raffle away a Yeezy. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.